welcome back to our Disney vacation, day 5. We are here right in the back of the Contemporary at the Contemporary pool. Justin had some work to do this morning and we don't have any real plans until this afternoon about 3 o'clock at Animal Kingdom. So we gave Jackson the choice this morning if he wanted to go to the pool or to Magic Kingdom, and he actually chose the pool. We just picked a spot. There's hardly anybody here. It's a little bit overcast, but it looks like the sun's gonna come out shortly. And I'll show you the Contemporary pool, because the other day we went to the pool at Bay Lake Tower, and this is, I would say it's much bigger of a pool, but it doesn't have the little boy slide. It does have a big boy slide, but Jackson's not interested in that. But I'll give you a look around. And Grandma and Jackson are just gonna check out the water and see how it is. But it's really pretty here because it's right on Bay Lake. And those over there are the garden rooms. And over here is a giant water slide, which would be really fun. And then right there is a splash zone for kids, although Jackson's not a big fan of splash zones, but it's there if you want it, which is nice. And then right here is the sandbar, and they serve lunch, and we might eat lunch there. And then behind us is Bay Lake Tower, and our room is like right there or so. So this is a super relaxing way to spend a Wednesday morning. And I got Joffrey's coffee this morning and a Mickey sticker. So what's better than that? Just a little more about this pool. Inside of this fountain is the hot tub. It's very small. The whole pool is not super large, and the hot tub is very small, but it's very nice. Over there, just beyond that handicap put her in the water thingy, is the volleyball court, and I don't know if you can see it, but the volleyball net has a monorail on it. People are playing right now. It is so cool. I love how everything at this resort is monorail themed. It's just the best. But I really do think they should slap a monorail on this water slide and make it a monorail themed pool like the one at Disneyland Hotel, because everybody loves that. And it would be fairly easy. It already sort of looks like the same structure as the monorail pool in the Disneyland Hotel. All they'd have to do is put a little monorail overlay on there. And there you go. I thought I'd show you a little bit around. So here's the pool that we're at. And if you walk this way, you walk right through this back gate. It's a little courtyard. And over here is where that volleyball net is, and a little beach. It's very nice. It is worth noting that they did put up like fencing so you can't actually get to the water. And then down this way is the adult pool. I don't think there's anyone in here right now. Right through here is the adult pool. Ooh, there's a lot of wildlife and bugs out here. Little lizards too. This is just a beautiful view in this pool. And then right behind that cabana is the boat dock, where you can take the boat to the Magic Kingdom or to Fort Wilderness or the Wilderness Lodge. And over here you can do fishing charters or boat rentals. And then coming back out of the adult pool, you can play some games out here. So they have the cornhole just like they have over at the Bay Lake pool, and ping pong, foosball, pool, and Connect 4. I love these. I'm back at the main pool, and in this building there are restrooms and lockers, and the sandbar. I don't think it's open yet, but they have, looks like just drinks. So I just walked out the gate to show you the splash pad that's right here behind the water slide. Oh, and they've got those guns that you can squirt people with. And then if you turn over this way, you can go back to the main lobby through there. And here they have this awesome Sorcerer Mickey topiary. I had Jackson take a couple pictures in front of him and they came out so pretty. And just past Sorcerer Mickey, they have this famous little statue that a lot of people like to take photos in front of as well. It's just a really nice hotel. So I was mistaken. Apparently when you come in this part of the bar, you can only get drinks. But then if you just go right here around the corner, you can get lunch. And that's just what we're gonna do. And it actually sounds really good. This chicken pita with hummus, tzatziki, quinoa, and kale. Sounds right up my alley. All right, here's our spread. This is the chicken hummus wrap. It looks really good. And they came with chips. They didn't tell me that, so I bought chips. And Jackson got a kid's cheeseburger. And Grandma got a bacon cheeseburger. And we are, oh, and applesauce, regular applesauce, not the mango kind. Thank goodness. God forbid. And we're living for the soundtrack out here by the pool. It's like a loop of like 20 songs from the late 90s. It's been nonstop, like No Doubt and Robin and Sophie B. Hawkins and like all of the 90s things. So we were saying it's so funny. They probably did like an analysis of who stays here. Oh, and now the Cranberries. And they probably figured out that like most people that stay here were like born in the late 80s and just love this music. So the soundtrack is a highlight out here right now. We're pool hopping today. Jackson wanted to go to, oh, where is he? Jackson wanted to go to this pool at Bay Lake so we could go down the little boy slide. So we're gonna do that, and Justin's gonna go down the big boy slide. This slide is way cooler than the contemporary slide. There's Dad! I mean Justin!
Like literally 2 seconds after I put my...
Woohoo! It's so fast! I just realized that there's a splash pad here in the Bay Lake pool too. It's shaped like Mickey. That one looks a little more tame. Jax might like that better.